Hey guys, Chris Dunn here, aka the Boogie Man. On this episode of Boogie Tech, thank you. Thank you to all you guys out there that have subscribed, who have liked, watched, hit the notification button. Y'all have helped us get to a milestone on the channel. We have hit over 85,000 views. We have hit over 425,000 watch minutes. We are finally monetized. You guys rock. We couldn't have done it without you. Thank you for watching the channel. So what I've done here is I'm going to put a little montage together for you guys to enjoy of the Boogie Man, some cool clips and videos. Stay tuned next week. We will have a new episode. I'm not going to tell you what it's about yet. We'll just have to surprise you. I'm right here working on the Boogie Man block. We're doing a little bit of machining, some oil stuff we've been working on, and it's ready to wash and be assembled. So we'll be on the track soon, so you guys can come out, cheer us on, and maybe buy you a t-shirt. Chris Dunn, aka the Boogie Man. Oh, and please remember, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. Thank you.